Be the change you wish to see in the world. Private life always wins. Keep it secret until you win. If a man knows more than others, he becomes lonely. You become what you give your attention to. Disrespect is the weapon of the weak. Rudeness is a weak imitation of strength. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. Sometimes you need to burn bridges to stop yourself from crossing them again. When you remove the fear of death, life becomes limitless. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Small steps in the right direction can lead to big changes. Difficulty shows what men are. Know the rules well so you can break them effectively. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Always stay away from cunning people who only do and say what pleases us. Be like the flower that gives fragrance even to the hand that crushes it. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. A tiger doesn't owe sleep over the opinion of sheep. Every person in your life is a teacher. Some bring lessons about love and support. Others teach you what to avoid. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Pain of regret is so much worse than pain of discipline. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. When people disrespect you, be strong enough to walk away, wise enough to forgive, and brave enough to stand tall. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. You all laugh at me because I'm different. I laugh at you because you're all the same. Be careful how you talk to yourself because you are listening. If you fail to control your own mind, you may be sure you will control nothing else. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. The more you learn, the more you earn. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Worrying is wasted energy. It will never make a problem better. Desire and happiness cannot live together. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. The ones who say you can't are too afraid you will. True strength is knowing when to walk away from toxicity. Your life is too valuable to waste on people who don't appreciate you. The world is a dangerous place, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who look on and do nothing. Every day is a new opportunity to grow and improve. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher, not bring you down. Value yourself enough to choose what you deserve over what you desire. Your worst enemy is hidden within you, and that enemy is yourself or false ego. It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. He will win who knows when to fight and when not to. You can't change people, but you can change who you choose to be around. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be their option. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. We all must suffer pain, either the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Tomorrow belongs to the one who prepares for it today. Don't sacrifice your peace trying to save a relationship that only causes you pain. Success demands sacrifice. There is no alternative. Walk away from anything that diminishes your worth. Sometimes the only way to protect your soul is to walk away from those who damage it. Don't tell anyone what you think or what you know. Keep your secrets to yourself, because a friend today could be an enemy tomorrow. If you expect the world to be fair with you because you are fair, you're fooling yourself. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Man without a vision for his future always returns to his past. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Sometimes you have to distance yourself to see things clearly. Better alone than in toxic company. When someone walks away from you, it's not the end of your story, it's the end of their part in your story. Two things are infinite: the universe and the human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Never express too much love, affection, or care to someone, because it's human tendency to underestimate anything that's free of cost. Reputation is for time, character is for eternity. Letting go is liberating when it frees you from negativity. The right people bring out the best in you. The wrong ones bring out the stress in you. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and its life will not get any shorter. No matter how many times I may stumble, I will rise each time a better man. It is not enough to win a war. It is more important to organize the peace. Life is too short to be led by those who do not bring you joy and happiness. Today is the oldest you've ever been in your life, and the youngest you'll ever be again. Ending toxic relationships is like pruning a tree. It may hurt at first, but it's necessary for growth. You might not enjoy discipline, but you'll enjoy the results. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. You will see a massive divide between the people who took care of their bodies and those who didn't. If you want better results, find better friends. This doesn't mean you have to get rid of your current friends, but level up. Live life according to your rules, not your parents, not society's, and not some random person's. The things you want are on the other side of facing your fears. A good life is never a comfortable life. When you're young, live in cities for opportunities. When you're older, live in small towns for peace. Sleep is more important than food. Without sleep, you become the worst version of yourself. What you measure is what you manage. If you want to get better at anything, you must track it. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. A man of quality is never threatened by a woman of equality. No price is too high to pay for the privilege of owning yourself. Your silence and success is the best revenge to people who humiliates you. Write a vision for your life, break it into goals, and turn them into actionable tasks. As you level up, your friends will change. Accept this. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. No man is free who is not a master of himself.